Assalamualaikum and hello, I'm Nur Hasliana Amiza binti Abdullah from team ROLLNEY. We are going to present our project, which is UTM ALIS System for part 3. So this is how we distribute our task for this part. First, Arif Mashhur, he do the decision table for use case make reservation, and also he update the sequence diagram and the coding. Next is Nur Atika, she do the state diagram for use case make reservation. Next, Muhammad Faiz Hakimi, he do the activity diagram for both use case, register activity and make reservation. And me, I'm doing the decision table for use case, register activity, and also I update the sequence diagram and coding. So move to the decision table for register activity. So there are two conditions, which are the user is an UTM alumni and also the user is non-UTM alumni. So there are 5 actions, which are unlimited reservation venue, limited reservation venue, discount 10%, discount 5%, and no discount. For the condition, if the user is an UTM alumni and also the user is non-UTM alumni, so there are no discount. If the user is an UTM alumni, so the action is unlimited reservation venue and also discount 10%. If the user is a non-UTM alumni, so the action is limited reservation venue and also discount 5%. If the user is not the UTM alumni and also not non-UTM alumni, so there are no discount. That's all for limited entry decision table. Move to the register activity form. So here is the activity form. First, we can add the activity, insert activity ID. So we choose activity date on, and we are cycling, and then the max percent if 350, so we add the activity. So the activity insert here. Here we implement the abstract factory. If the user is UTM alumni, so you click here, and the discount is 10%, and reservation venue is unlimited. So if the user is non-UTM alumni, so the discount is of 5% and reservation venue is limited. So here is the coding for abstract factory. Abstract product is discount and reservation venue. The abstract factory is user type factory, and the concrete product is of 10 unlimited and of 5 and limited. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, Dr. Shariza. I'm Arif Mashhur bin Mamata from Team ROLLNEY. So for my part, here is the decision table that I have improved, but didn't change yet the name up there. This is the improve for the EEDT, the package type, the duration, the action, the discount, then the different discount. So this is my improved one from the last decision table. Next is the system, the interface here, facility ID if I choose like 2. Then reservation ID randomly. Then I select the package that I use, like this one. And then choose the date. Example for next weekend. So here I choose the package D. I just add the discount here, the display. And for our code, here is the added version. So I think that's all for my part. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Faiz Hakimi bin Ishaq. Okay, for my task is I need to extend my existing design and need to include at least 2 flow-based design by using UML activity diagram. This is to and I need to model the most 2 complex operation in our module, and the most 2 complex operation in our module that we choose is make reservation and register activity. Okay, this is the activity diagram for the register activity, and this is for the make reservation. Okay, if we see in our SDD, by follow the LEDT, this is the LEDT for the reservation, and this is for the register activity. For register activity, it has two conditions, which is the user is an UTM alumni or non-UTM alumni, and the action is unlimited reservation venue, unlimited or limited, and discount get 10 or 5% discount or no discount. And if we see for the activity diagram, it all start with the start, and user enter the register activity form. After that, the user register activity, and if the user is UTM alumni, they got the unlimited reservation venue, and the discount is 10%. And if the user is non-UTM alumni, they got a limited reservation venue, and for the discount they only got 5%, and it end with end of the system. Okay, for the reservations, make reservation, for the condition, we got a package type and the duration. If the duration is 5 more than 5 hours, and the action, we got a package discount and the reserve duration discount. Okay, this is the make reservation activity diagram. Okay, first we start the system, and the user enter the reservation form. The user need to view the facility and make a reservation. If the user doesn't want to make reservation, the system will end. And if the user make reservation, the user can select, can choose to take package or not. If the user doesn't want to take the package, the user can enter the reservation duration, and if the reservation duration that has been entered by the user is more than 5 hours, the users can get a duration discount, which is 5%. If the duration is less than 5 hours, it will go straight to the end. And if the users want to select a package, the user can select package A, B, C, and D. If the user select package A, and if it's true, the user can get a package discount, which is 10%. And if it's false, the user can select another package, which is package B. Also, if the user select package B, they will got a discount package, which is 10% also. And if the user doesn't want to package A or package B, they can select package C. And if it's true, the user can also get got 5% discount. And if the user doesn't want package A and B and C, they can choose package D. Also, they got a package discount, which is 10%. After that, the user need to enter reservation duration, and it will go straight to the end, because for the package D, if we see in the LEDT, package D doesn't have any reserve duration discount. So after the user enter the reserve duration, it will go straight to the end. And if user select package A, B, or C, after if they select the package A or B, A, B, C, after they enter the reservation duration, and if it's more than 5 hours, they can get duration discount, which is 5%. And if less than 5 hours, it will go straight to the end of the system. Okay, that's all for the activity diagram. Thank you.
So, Assalamualaikum and hi to Dr. Shariza. My name is Nur Atika binti Ma'afai and I'm from Team ROLLNEY. And I'm going to present my part for the project 3. So what I did for my project 3 is that I have successfully done the state diagram for the make reservation class. So the state diagram start from the here initial state, and the user went to the available facility state, which have display facility ID, facility name, facility type, and facility price. And after they have viewed the available facility state, they will need to select the available facility ID. And after that, they need to get the facility information. After they have select available facility ID, they will get the facility information, and they need to fill the reservation form state, where the field reservation consists of reservation ID and reservation date. And after that, they need to went to the chosen reservation package, where it have consists 5: package A, package B, package C, package D, and no package. So after that, if they have chose reservation package, they will get the package information, and if they confirm they want to reserve, they will add the reservation, and the reservation will add it to the record in database. And then it went back to here, the available facility, if the user decide to make another reservation. So I'm going to show here the example. Oops. So this is what I have explained. This is the view facility, view available facility, and we need to select the facility you want, and when you select, automatically the information of this 4321 facility, spot SLS, spot hall, facility price will be added into the database, and that they have select the facility to reserve, and the reservation ID and package that they need to choose. For example, when package A and select, it will display the package information and the discount. So yeah, that's for my part. For the second one, what I have done is that I have successfully implemented the 3-tier method that Dr. have asked us to improve for the code. So what I have done is that I declare all the get data in here in the table adapter, and then after that, as you can see, in all table donation, activity, reservation, facility, and payment, because I want to retrieve the data so the user can view the data in the system. So for example, I show the activity. This is where I declared the public data table get data, and I declare it at the form. I declare it down here, data table, new data activity, D new activity, and 80 equal to D dot get data. So I'm going to show, for example, the view donation form. I have implemented the 3-tier method, which is view the donation that the user have done, and also I put in the make donation form, and also the view activity, the register activity. You can see what the activity ID, activity date, activity name, the next person that they have filled in, the view facility, make reservation. Yeah, for that's all. For make payment, I didn't do. So yeah, that's all for my part. Thank you so much.